All right. Hey everyone. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Aper Scuba S1 Pro. So this came to me for review purposes, and it's basically a robotic pool vacuum. It's battery powered, so you're not having to worry about the cables or anything like that. And today what I'm going to do is do an unboxing, and hopefully I can review some of the specs on this. I'm unboxing it, so got my knife here. All right. So first of all, my first impression is it's seems like it's packed very well. It's a nice little, I guess it's not really useful. It's just for design purposes. A little manual here, or if you heard my dog in the background. All right. And we've got some accessories here. So this is the charging cable. And then this is a hook to retrieve it from the pool. From what I've read is that this will go to the edge of the pool for you to easily scoop it up. And you're just going to connect this to a pole. And the charging adapter connects to the back of the device. It takes about 3 hours to charge, and it's going to give you about 3 hours worth of runtime, which is actually really great for a robotic vacuum. All right, get some of this out. Now it is about 26 pounds, so pretty heavy, especially when you're taking it out of the pool, from what I've read. Obviously, there's going to be water in it, so when you do take it out, you want to take it out slowly. Okay? Let the water get out, let the water escape, and then you should be good to go to pull it all out. 26 pounds is heavy, but not too heavy for everything this thing does. Sort of have to rip this off here. There we go. Okay, so this is the Scuba S1 Pro. All right. Right away, I can see that there's some dials here, or there's an on-off switch at least. And it looks like there's some selections here. These are the different types of modes that they offer. So apparently you can skim the surface of the pool, the bottom. You can also do just the walls. There's an auto mode that does the walls and the floor. And then there's also a mode that allows you to set this to run about 45 minutes 3 times. So basically 3 times in a week. So you don't have to worry about taking it out and doing it every day or charging it every day. That may work for you if you keep the pool clean enough. Then you can just set it like that and it'll just do like a maintenance 3 times a week. All right. So you can see here back here, this is where the charging plug would go. Obviously, you want to have this closed when you deploy it into the pool, but when you're charging it, you want to plug it in. And it is recommended to plug it in the first time before using it. But the way you know whether or not it is fully charged is going to be right here in the front. Okay, this light will be blue if it, or did I put it here? Yep. This light right here would be blue if it's okay, but then it'll turn red if it is not, if it's time for it to charge. All right. So there's various sensors. There's 2 on each side in the front and then 2 in the back. And these sensors are what's going to allow it to move throughout the pool and know exactly where it's at. It does map it, so it knows exactly where it's been, and it'll do like an S pattern if you're doing just the floor, but it will go up on the actual wall. It'll climb, it'll do steps as well. The other cool thing about this is if you wanted to clean just the lining of the pool, that feature is available here. And it's pretty cool because it climbs up to the line and it actually, instead of going up and down, it just goes sideways. So that's pretty cool to watch in the videos I've seen so far. You can see here that these are called the caterpillar legs. This is what helps it suction to the walls and climb it. So this is pretty cool. All right, and then there's some vents here for the water to escape. Obviously the water goes on the inside from the back. Actually, let me show you the bottom first. Take a look at the bottom. Yeah, so the water would actually, this is going to help sweep the floor, but the water actually goes into here, and immediately above this or inside is the actual skimmer basket. So we'll go to that now. The skimmer basket, there's actually 2 filters. The skimmer basket is one. You pull that out easily like this, and you just want to take this outside and clean it up after every use. But the water comes in through here. It traps all of the leaves and all of the bigger particles in here. This is a 180 micron filter. So it's good enough to capture most of the big particles, but then all of the little ones like your algae will be captured with this. This is a 3 micron particle filter. Okay. So it's a finer filter. It seems very easy to just, push it in there. Let's see if I got this the right way. Yep. This is going to align down there with the opening, just like that. Close it. And that's pretty much it. So far, it looks good. It does actually look very impressive in person, but we'll see how it goes. This is the unboxing video, but I will have a video later on